What if America's most classified spy plane was rotting in a frozen forest for 60 years?
Oh my God! Guys, we just found it! America's lost U-2 spy plane! Look behind me! Look at this wreck! The cockpit, the wings, the reconnaissance pod! This thing spied on the Soviets! It's been here since 1964!
All teams, this is Command. Generator is online, commencing lift sequence. Roger that, Command. Strap secured on Section 1. Watch the starboard wing, easy now. HR 732 extraction commencing. We have significant icing on canister 4.
Acknowledged. Continue extraction.
We need another measurement on the aileron.
All right, Crane, easy pressure now.
Hydraulic pressure engaged. Take her up slow. Stabilization team, report status. We are clear on coordinates.
Back, easy now. Hold it right there.
A little more to the left, steady.
All right, drop it down. Watch the tail. Down slowly. Watch the tail.
Got it centered. Bring it down.
Okay, engaging the binders now. All right, easy now. Settle it down. Get those chains secured quickly. Clear the area. Start the hydraulics now. Keep an eye on the sagging fuselage. The rust on these access panels is worse than expected. Check the structural integrity near the gear mounts.
Copy that. Shining the light now. Check the forward fuselage bulkhead status.
Roger, moving to the starboard wing section now. We've got cracking on panel 6.
6 feet and growing. The titanium spar is compromised. We have fuel leakage near the avionics bus. This bird is grounded indefinitely.
Bring her down easy now. Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Roger that. She's seated.
J75 P13B. Significant rust penetration, blades won't move, fuel delivery system compromised.
Last bolt is clear.
Roger, roger.
Start the separation sequence. Engaging hydraulics, moving slow.
Watch the hydraulics. Keep that crane steady.
Echo 1, the gear is separating.
It's clear of the housing.
Okay, easy now.
Rotate to 090. Watch the starboard clearance. Checklist item 42, engine inspected. Over.
All right, diagram B confirms the pulse arc settings. Check the corrosion spot on the leading edge. Almost ready.
Maintain shield gas flow rate. Approaching fuel tank mounts now. Structural integrity holding steady.
Hold position on the hydraulic press. Steady now.
Point 001 achieved. Lock it down.
Are the lines secure on your end?
Just finished the fitting. Pressure looks good. Make sure the clearance is within tolerance on that third stage blade.
Roger that. Checking the specs now.
Hold it right there. Steady on the left. Clearance looks good. Watch the pins. Almost seated. Lower slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure that nozzle seats flush against the collar. Roger that. Moving to the igniter. All right, easy now. Bring it up slow. Watch the clearance on the left.
Coming up steady, boss.
Clear on this side. Easy now. Watch the laser grid.
Holding steady, alignment is green.
All right, lower it down. Check the pressure on line 3.
Reading steady at 2,900 PSI.
All right, secure the main valve. All right, route the main pressure line through station 7, and let's get the reservoir filled.
Roger that. Hitting it with the torque wrench now. Pressure's holding steady at 3,000. Bring the starboard pogo in slowly.
Copy that. Aligning now. Watch your clearance on the strut.
Viscosity is good. Perfect radar absorbent texture. Yeah, that's the 1C black.
Easy now, coming down. Watch your side, clear?
Yeah, we're lined up. Pressure looks good.
Engaging the forward bolts.